Welcome to your global guide to all things horticulture. Whether you're planting your very first seed or you're a seasoned grower looking to deepen your knowledge, you've come to the right place. From plant care and propagation to edible gardening and food security, from ornamental design and sustainable landscaping to climate resilient practices and urban horticulture, we've got it all right here. We make plant science practical and accessible wherever you are in the world. Expect clear how-tos, expert insights, and step-by-step demos designed for beginners, hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell, and leave a comment to join our growing community. Let's cultivate knowledge that blooms together. This is your Hortiknow channel where gardening goes global. This fast-growing companion plant supercharges tomatoes, smothers weeds. What you'll learn on this video are the following: the best companion plant to pair with tomatoes, how it improves growth and productivity, why it suppresses weeds and repels pests, when and how to plant it for best results if want healthier tomatoes and fewer weeds without using chemicals. In this video, I'll reveal the fast-growing companion plant that works wonders alongside tomatoes. It helps your tomatoes thrive by boosting soil health, attracting pollinators, blocking weeds, and even repelling pests. Tomatoes are easy enough to grow in a vacuum, but external factors like weeds can slow down their development and make it harder to get a homegrown juicy fruit on your plate. Luckily, you can naturally give tomatoes a boost with a companion plant. Like other flora, tomatoes benefit from being planted next to something that will improve their growing conditions, such as a plant that will deter insects or encourage pollination. This method can be extremely effective as long as you avoid the common companion planting mistakes. There are many companion plants for tomatoes like asparagus, radishes, and rosemary. But if you need something that will specifically target weeds, consider accompanying your tomato plant with crimson clover, Trifolium incarnatum. Crimson clover can cover entire fields and therefore works excellently as a ground cover. Along with being an eye-catching way to fill out garden plots or containers, the clover's thick growing pattern makes it difficult for weeds to establish themselves. Plus, crimson clover can grow very quickly, so you won't have to wait long for it to start improving nearby tomato plants. The ways crimson clover can help a tomato plant don't end at weed suppression. With its fiery red flowers, it can attract tons of pollinators which will help every plant in the garden. And if that's not enough, crimson clover imbues the soil with nitrogen it draws from the air, further helping any neighboring plants grow. With some crimson clover seeds in hand, you'll just need a few handy growing hacks for your tomatoes to flourish. Hardy in USDA zones 2 to 10, crimson clover should be planted in well-draining soil, though it's not picky about soil quality. It can grow in sun or shade. In fact, one of its many strengths is its ability to thrive in the shade, which makes it well suited for placement under taller plants. While crimson clover is not tolerant of extreme temperatures, it can withstand some cold. Unfortunately for some tomato growers, crimson clover is listed as invasive in West Virginia. But for everyone else, there's little reason not to try this powerful companion plant, especially if your tomatoes are losing the battle with weeds. Crimson clover can even be cultivated in a container, so you can grow it in tomatoes without a backyard.